Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. We will talk today about the Binance project in Telegram, Moonbix. This is the interface of in Telegram bot. You can play from the play button, or if you are not getting the play button, then you can click this Moonbix app. Okay, then these two are same. This is the interface of Binance Moonbix. We are play here the game and invite friends. We are earn from the two ways, like task completing. These tasks are completed. You can complete these tasks, all tasks. If you have Binance account, then you can wind here and you will get the 10,000 coins. Okay, Moonbix coin. And the second is from referral. You can refer the friend and you can earn. Okay, you can download the Binance app and find your accounts from here and verify your identity. Then after you will get the 10,000 Binance coin. Okay, Binance Moon coin. If you can play from here, play a game. Wait for a bit. These are the games we are playing. This is the game. You can play from here. You have to collect the all coins. Please don't collect the asteroids. If you collect the asteroid, then you will get the minus coin. Okay, I will show you how it goes to minus. We can play again. If you click on asteroid, then it gets minus 3. Please don't click on the asteroid, click on the coin. Okay, try to target coins. That's it. You can join from my link that is in description. Okay, thanks for watching.